In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add product tabs in Shopify. We'll walk through this step by step, starting from your Shopify admin, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to set up collapsible tabs for things like FAQs, shipping information, and detailed product descriptions. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. On the left-hand side, look for the menu and click on Online Store. This is where all your themes live. At the top of the themes list, you'll see your current live theme. Click on Edit Theme or Customize for that active theme to open the theme editor. Once you're inside the theme editor, look up at the top of the page for the page selector. This is usually set to Homepage by default. Click on it to open the dropdown, then navigate to Products and choose Default Product. This tells Shopify you want to edit how your standard product page looks. Now that you're on the product page layout, move your attention to the left panel where the sections are listed. Click on Add Section. A list of available sections will pop up. From that list, choose Collapsible Content. This is what will become your product tabs. After adding it, you can drag and drop the section in the left panel to move it up or down and place it exactly where you want on the product page. By default, the Collapsible Content section comes with 4 collapsible row blocks already set up. Each of these is a tab you can edit. If you want more, click. Add collapsible row to create an additional tab. To remove any row you don't need, hover over that row's block on the left and click the trash icon on the right side. Next, click on the main collapsible content section itself to open its overall styling and settings. Here you can add a caption, set a main heading such as FAQ or product details, and then scroll down to style it. Depending on your theme, you might be able to adjust things like colors, spacing, or layout. Use these options to match your store's branding. To edit the individual collapsible rows, click the back arrow at the top left of the panel to return to the list of blocks. Click a collapsible row block under the collapsible content section to open its settings. Here, add a heading for that tab, for example, description or shipping info. You can choose an icon to appear next to the heading, or select none if you prefer a clean look. Below that, add your row content, such as your detailed product description. If you already have a page created in Shopify, you can also click Select beside Row Content from Page and link to an existing page instead of typing everything manually. To edit the remaining rows, simply click the back arrow again, select the next collapsible row, and repeat the process. This is a great place to add information like your return policy, estimated delivery times, care instructions, or shipping fees. Keeping this information in tabs helps your product page stay clean while still giving customers all the details they need. If you'd like to add product tabs directly within the product information section instead, scroll to that section in the left panel and click Add Block. Choose a block type that supports collapsible or tab style content, depending on your theme. Then follow the same editing process you used earlier. Set a heading, choose an icon if you want one, and add or link your content. Just remember that in this product information area, you may need to manually add each collapsible row one by one if you want multiple tabs. Once you're happy with the layout and content of your new product tabs, don't forget to click Save in the top right corner. Then preview a product page on your live store to make sure everything looks and behaves the way you expect. That's it. You've successfully added product tabs to your Shopify store using collapsible content.